In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails in Gmail. If you've ever sent an important message and then struggled to locate it later, this walkthrough will make things much easier. We'll go through where your sent emails live in Gmail, how to open them, and a few simple tips to quickly track down exactly what you're looking for. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if you're not logged in already. Once Gmail loads, you'll see your inbox by default, which is where all your incoming messages appear. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel. Here you'll see sections like Inbox, Starred, Snoozed, and so on. What we're interested in is the folder labeled Sent, or Sent Mail. On some screens, it might be visible right away, but if you don't see it, scroll down the list of labels on the left. You may need to click More to expand the full list of folders. Once you find Sent or Sent Mail, click on it. This opens a dedicated view that contains all the emails you've sent from this Gmail account. The newest messages will appear at the top by default, with older ones listed as you scroll down. You can now click on any email in the Sent folder to open it. Inside, you'll see exactly what you wrote, along with who you sent it to and when it was sent. This is especially useful if you need to confirm details, resend information, or check that a message actually left your account. If you're looking for a specific sent message and don't want to scroll, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type a keyword, an email address, or part of the subject line, then press Enter. Once the results appear, you can click the options under the search bar to refine what you're seeing, or add InSent to your search to limit results only to your sent messages. Remember that if you manage multiple Gmail accounts, each account has its own separate sent folder, so make sure you're in the correct account when searching. That's all there is to it. By using the sent folder and the search bar together, you can reliably find any email you've sent in Gmail, even months or years later.